Okay, here's my little Sarcomere model, the sliding filament theory. Let's explain what everything is here. So first off, we'll start with the M line. The M line acts as an attachment point for myosin. Then we also have the Z lines on the outside, which are attachment points for the actin. The A band in the bottom is the full length of the myosin. The I band in the bottom here on the outside is only actin. Then we have the H band, which is only myosin. So as the muscle contracts and the actin moves in, the H band decreases in size, and as soon as it's fully contracted, the H band fully disappears. The same thing goes for the I band. As soon as the muscle is fully contracted, the I band disappears as well. Let's put this back. Now, how does a muscle contract? So a muscle contracts through an axial potential that reaches through the T tubules, which releases calcium into the cell. Calcium is the little black dot here on the troponin. It's placed on the troponin because as soon as the calcium reaches the cell, the sarcomere, it will attach to troponin. As it attaches to troponin, troponin changes its shape, which pulls the tropomyosin away from the actin sites. As the actin sites, which are these little black dots on the paper clips, also the myosin, as they open up, the myosin heads, which are these little blue things, they will attach to those actin sites, and they will release ADP and phosphate. Now, I don't have ADP and phosphate on here because I drew the myosin heads with the ATP on there, which we'll come back to later. So as the ADP and phosphate release, the myosin head move back to their original shape, to original position, and they pull the actin in. So now that they're back in their original position, they're stuck there. In order for that to be released, that position to be released, ATP needs to be binded towards the troponin sites, and they will release the myosin head. This will cause the whole action to begin over again, and as long as calcium and ATP are present in the cell, this and the action potential will allow that calcium to keep coming in, then these muscles will keep contracting.